Most people think speaking more than one language is just a skill, but psychology shows that multilingual minds are built differently. Their brains process the world in ways most people never experience. Here are the rare traits multilingual people naturally develop, often without realizing it. 1. Flexible identity. Multilingual people don't have a single fixed personality. Their tone, confidence, humor, and emotional expression naturally shift with each language. Psychology calls this contextual identity shifting. They adapt to cultural norms built into each language, which makes them better at reading situations, adjusting behavior, and blending into different social groups. They don't pretend, they transform. 2. Micro-detail awareness. A multilingual brain is trained to notice details others miss. When vocabulary fails, the brain relies on nonverbal cues, small facial expressions, shifts in mood, changes in tone. Over time, this becomes automatic. They sense tension faster, detect hidden emotions, and read people more accurately. What looks intuitive to others is actually a trained survival skill. 3. Concept-based thinking. Instead of thinking in one language, multilingual people think in concepts. Their brain picks whichever language expresses the idea best. This frees them from being trapped in one linguistic structure. It gives them sharper problem-solving abilities, more creativity, and a wider mental toolbox. Their thoughts are more flexible because they are not tied to one way of expressing them. 4. Higher emotional intelligence. Switching languages also means switching emotional frameworks. Multilingual people understand emotional tones more deeply and adjust their communication based on context. They decode feelings better, respond with more emotional accuracy, and empathize across diverse cultures. They notice what people mean, not just what they say. 5. Strong mental endurance. Managing multiple languages trains the brain to handle complexity, grammar rules, vocabulary, accents, cultural expectations. It's a constant mental workout. This strengthens executive control, which helps them stay calm under pressure, multitask efficiently, and handle fast-changing situations better than most people. Their mind is used to carrying a heavy load and still performing. 6. Layered memory. Multilingual memory is not linear. Different languages attach to different emotions and different life phases. This creates deeper, more vivid recall. Certain memories feel different depending on which language they were formed in. It's like having several memory systems running at once, each carrying its own emotional atmosphere. 7. Multi-lens perception. Every language carries a worldview. When someone speaks 2 or 3 languages, they learn to see the world through multiple cultural lenses. They understand that there is not one truth, one mindset, or one way of living. This makes them less judgmental, more open-minded, and harder to manipulate. Their mind recognizes perspectives most people don't even think about. If you speak more than one language, your brain isn't average. It's layered, adaptable, and uniquely powerful. You don't just translate words, you translate experiences, emotions, and entire realities. Tell me in the comments, how many languages can you speak?